暑い。かなり暑い。70度、65度ぐらいはある。70度ぐらいあるかな。深いね。Hello.
Can I check in?
Yeah.
Barely read it. Okay, read. That's a fly.
Oh.明るいか、まだ見えるか。かなり混むんじゃない？
Okay, what's the name? Okay. Yes, you have ID?
ID.
I do show you've reserved a western cabin with 2 queen beds for 1 night for 2 adults. Okay, thank you. Okay. In just a moment, the reader's going to start flashing. When it does, if you will slide your credit card, please. We did receive your deposit for the night, so this will just be for us to have in the file. I think you have to turn it around.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, let me try again. Now. Now, go ahead. Yes, okay, good. In just a moment, the reader's going to light up again. It's going to want your signature, not your card, just your signature. It's going to mention our policy of no cooking and no smoking in the room. Checkout is at 11. And if you hit the green button twice and then sign it and hit it again. You'll have to do that again. Let's see. It's going to light up again. Hit the green button twice. Sign it and hit the green button again. Okay. And sign it.
漢字じゃないとわかんないかな。
このカードのあれがなんかな。
Yay! Okay, I'll be right back with you. Okay. Come down to this side right here. You'll go around this way, hit the gravel road, turn right, come up, and you can park right outside the cabin. Okay? Oh, food. We have a restaurant down this hallway from 5 till 10. Hamburger store out this way, 8 till 7. And then over here, which is the lodge farthest away, they're open till 9. And they're serving noodle bowls and barbecue tonight. They open at 6:30 in the morning for breakfast. Okay. There you go. This is just pretty much the same thing.
Okay, thank you.
So, if y'all have any questions, just ask.
Okay. 本日のお宿。番号と違うな。これはなんだ。とりあえずここに入る。うん。うん。